Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's video is on expanding triple brackets. So I'm gonna go over a couple examples of how we could do this. I'm gonna write down the first question. So x plus 3, let's say x plus 5 times x plus 2. Okay, so the way I approach this is initially I'm gonna expand the first two brackets, these two, and then the answer of that I will place in a pair of brackets. So in order to do that, I'm going to first start off by multiplying x with x. So x times x gives you x squared, and then I'm going to do x times 5, and x times 5 gives you 5x. Then I'm going to multiply 3 by x, and 3 times x gives you 3x. Then I'm going to multiply 3 by 5, and 3 times 5 gives you 15. I'm going to write this bit down as it is, untouched. Okay, so in here 5x and 3x, these two are like terms, so I'm going to simplify this bracket to give me x squared plus 8x plus 15. I'm going to multiply that by x plus 2. How am I going to do that? Let me just correct that. Okay, in order to do this, what I need to do is I'm going to multiply my x squared with x and then x squared with 2. So x squared, so the way I'm going to do that is this times this and then this times this. Okay, so x squared times x is x cubed, and x squared times 2 is 2x squared. Okay, the next step is I'm going to multiply the 8x with the x and then 8x with the 2. So 8x times x is 8x squared, and 8x times 2 is 16x. And then the last thing I need to do over here is multiply the 15 with the x and 15 with the 2. So 15 times x is 15x. 15 times 2 is 30. Okay, now I'm going to look for like terms. So 2x squared is a like term with 8x squared. 16x is a like term with 15x, and I have no other like terms, so everything else remains the same. So x cubed remains x cubed. 2x squared plus 8x squared is 10x squared. Then 16x plus 15x is 31x. And then we've got 30 in the end. And there we go. That's how I would expand this set of triple brackets. I'll go over one more example where we're dealing with some negative numbers as well, right? So let's do x plus 1 times x minus 4 times x minus 7. Again, the first step, so expand the double bracket, the first two. So for that, I'm going to have x times x, which is x squared, x times minus 4. So I did x times x to give me x squared. Then I'll do x times minus 4 to give me minus 4x. And then I will do 1 times x, which is plus 1x or x just on its own. And the last one is 1 times minus 4, which is minus 4. And that last bracket remains unchanged. There we go. Okay, these two can be simplified to x squared minus 3x minus 4 Now I'll go on and do the same thing as last time. So I'll first multiply x squared with x and then x squared with minus 7. So x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times minus 7 is minus 7x squared. The next thing I'm going to do is multiply minus 3x by x to give you minus 3x squared. And then I'm going to multiply minus 3x by minus 7. That's plus 21x. The next step is to multiply minus 4 by x to give you minus 4x. And finally, minus 4 times minus 7, which is plus 28. So now I have to look for like terms. Minus 7x squared and minus 3x squared are like terms. 21x and minus 4x are like terms. So you have x cubed minus 10x squared plus 17x plus 28. And there we go. So hopefully this video helps with expanding triple brackets. Thank you for watching.